Welcome to Rosh Media. My name is Rosh. The question for this video is, how do you designate a specific thumbnail for your playlist? So what you do is go to your YouTube studio, and forward down from the dashboard is your playlist section. Click on playlists. Let's say we want to change the customer playlist thumbnail. So what we do is we go to edit playlist. You will see the list of videos in order in your playlist. Now by default, the top video will serve as the thumbnail. However, maybe you want a different video thumbnail as the thumbnail for your playlist. So for example, maybe we want customer lifetime value as our thumbnail for the playlist as a whole. So what you do is you click on these three dots, and at the very bottom, you'll say Set as Playlist Thumbnail. Click there, and now this thumbnail is the thumbnail for the playlist. However, it does not change the order in which the videos are shown. If you're interested in Google and marketing related tutorials, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a future upload.